NITI Aayog hires students, graduates, and entry-level professionals regularly. In this video, I will cover the complete process from internship to their paid role worth rupees 70,000 a month. NITI Aayog offers three types of opportunities: internships, young professional program, and flexi pool. But most of the roles in flexi pool require at least 3 years of experience. So in this video, we will focus on the two that are the most relevant for students and freshers: NITI Aayog internships and NITI Aayog young professional program. So let's start with the internship first. The NITI Aayog internship scheme was launched by the Government of India to give students direct exposure to policy making and how the government actually functions behind the scene. If you are interested in public policy, economics, governance, consulting, or data analysis, then this is one of the most valuable government internships you can apply for as a student. But there is an eligibility criteria. Undergraduate student, postgraduate student, research scholars or PhD students, and recent graduates from any and all degree can apply for NITI internship. Even Indian citizens studying at foreign universities are also eligible. So here's the breakdown. If you are an undergraduate, then you must have completed your second year or fourth semester and have at least 60% in class 12. And if you are a postgraduate, then you must have completed your first year or second semester with at least 70% in graduation. And if you are a recent graduate, you can apply if your final result came out no more than 6 months before the internship starts. Minimum 70% cumulative marks are required. The internship duration is between 6 weeks and 6 months. You can choose based on your availability. Now, yes, this internship is unpaid, but most importantly, you will get to write NITI Aayog on your resume. You will get direct exposure to how India's biggest policies are made, and an internship certificate at the end, provided you maintain at least 75% of attendance. Now write this down or save this video, because this is the most important information in this entire video. NITI Aayog accepts internship applications only between 1st and 10th of every month. And a few more things to note. You can apply up to 6 months in advance, but at least 2 months before your internship start date. For example, if you want to do an internship in July, you should ideally apply by May. So now here's how you can apply. The application process is completely online. You can apply directly through the official NITI Aayog website. So for that, you have to click on apply online. Then you will be asked to fill in your personal details, your education qualification, your internship month, and your area of interest. And now here's something most applicants get wrong. There are 25 domains you can choose from. Most applicants pick randomly or pick whatever sounds impressive. But NITI Aayog divisions select interns based on how well your background matches with their domain. If you pick the wrong area, then your application goes nowhere. So pick the domain that genuinely matches your degree and your interest. There is no application fee. Now, once you submit your application, then the next steps are the applications are reviewed by different NITI Aayog divisions and verticals. The heads of these verticals then select maximum of 3 interns from their respective departments. And shortlisted students are asked to produce a no objection certificate from their college in this format. And finally, the list of selected candidates is uploaded on the NITI Aayog website. Now the selected intern will work on a variety of policy related tasks like these. At the end of the internship, you will receive an internship certificate if you have a minimum of 75% of attendance. So alright, that's the complete internship process. Now if you already have some work experience and want a paid opportunity with rupees 70,000 per month, then this next section is for you. That is NITI Aayog Young Professional Program. NITI Aayog hires young professionals and experts to act as consultant and contribute to policy making in different sectors like health, agriculture, infrastructure, and more. Now for consultant roles, they hire people with up to 10 to 12 years of experience. But under young professional program, they mainly look for entry-level professionals with around 1 year of experience. So that's the one you need to apply for. The best part is this is a paid opportunity with a monthly stipend of rupees 70,000 per month. Now talking about the eligibility, then graduates from all professional degrees are eligible for this program, whether you have done BTech, MBBS, CA, LLB, or any other 4-degree course. Now let's talk about the application process. NITI Aayog accepts applications for the young professional program on a rolling basis as and when they have a requirement. You can register and apply at any time throughout the year, and the team will consider your application whenever they have a vacancy. The application process is quite simple. Just register on NITI Aayog's work for Viksit Bharat portal. You will be able to see all available opportunities. Then create your profile. You can see the complete process for filling out the profile or your application form on the screen. And if you still have any doubts, then you can check the detailed instruction linked in the description box. Now let's talk about the hiring process. First, a screening committee composed of A joint secretary, a deputy secretary, and other directors of NITI Aayog will shortlist the candidates. The shortlisted candidates will then appear for an evaluation, which is basically an interview before the Consultancy Evaluation Committee or CEC. The CEC includes the CEO of NITI Aayog and other high-level advisors, as you can see on the screen. Please note that there is no one-method-fits-all approach when it comes to hiring these young professionals. The CEC decides how they want to evaluate the candidates. And if selected, then you will be hired for a duration of 2 years. And based on your performance, the contract can be extended up to 5 years. With that, I come to the end of the video. So 3 things before you go. First, save this video. Then share this with one friend who is looking for an internship or a job. And also subscribe to this channel. We cover opportunities like this every week, so you never miss one. And comment NITI below if you are planning to apply. I want to know how many of you go for it. Until then, all the best.